Hello there, guys, girls, non-binary people. It's your favorite unsalted cracker. It's Brother Reed here yet again. And people, with us today, as always, we're joined in the back by our sidekick. You guys probably know him as the Box. We also have with us today, we have Alexa. What does extreme mean?
As an adjective, extreme is usually defined as of a character or kind farthest removed from the ordinary or average.
Extreme.
As a noun, extreme is usually defined as
Extreme.
the utmost or highest degree,
Extreme.
or a very high degree. For more,
That's right.
ask me to give you more definitions for extreme.
That's extreme. Anyway, guys, as always, it looks like it's that time. It's time for another excited, insane, super official, thought-provoking, straight-edge food product review. YouTube's only true 365 food product reviewer. Right, Box? Anyway, we have the small Blizzard Reese's Extreme from Dairy Queen. There it is. You can see on the receipt. We got it. $4.78, people. Pretty high, isn't it, for a small Blizzard? Now, it doesn't look anything like the sign you see outside. I mean, that looks like, it looks like vomit. It doesn't look attractive at all. So I'm hoping they made this right. I mean, you can't mess this up. It's just sugar. So anyway, guys, as always, if you have anything you'd like, read the Box Archie Extra review, you got to leave a comment below. Because if we like that comment, guys, we might just pick it out and review your request next. Thumbnail, I'm ready to take it to the extreme with this, people. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alrighty, guys, let's read a little bit of what is on the Reese's Extreme Blizzard. We've got real pieces of Reese's, peanut butter cups, and Reese's. Pieces come together in a Blizzard treat that can only be described as one word: extreme. You know, for being a bit extreme, for overreaching at everything. Let's see, blah, 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 blah. Let's see. Okay, peanut butter cups and Reese's pieces along with creamy peanut butter toppings, chocolate toppings. That's the triple peanut butter, triple chocolate, and double amount the Reese's candies. So it's pretty much, it's kind of like everybody's fantasy. You're like, I want more Reese's cups and Reese's pieces in my Blizzard that you get. It's going to be packed full. It's a fantasy. Let's get right to it, people. Let's take it to the extreme. Yeah, man. Like I've said in many of my reviews, people, Reese's Cup is my favorite candy bar. You got your Reese's Pieces and your Reese's Cups. It's hard to mess that combination up. Beautiful. Now, people, it's 10:36 here in the morning, and people are wondering, what are you having for breakfast, Reed? We're having ourselves a Blizzard. 10:36. Blizzard. That's what we're having, people. No better way to start the day off than a nice sugar rush. It's good for the kids. It's good for the adults. It was wonderful. Wonderful. I love the Reese's Cup flavor. And you add those Reese's Pieces to it. You just take it to the extreme like Dairy Queen has done here, people. You've got yourself not just something special, you got yourself something spectacular. It may not look very attractive when you saw me zoom in on it, but I tell you what, I'm just looking through it here, people, and I really can't find an empty spot. It's full of Reese's and Reese's Pieces everywhere I go. So it really is extreme. Look at that. It's everywhere. You can't get away from it, people. It's like the alimony payment when it's due. You can't get away from it. It's right there. Reese's Cup is so good. Those Reese's Pieces are unbelievable. I had no idea. Now, it's not my favorite Blizzard of all time, people. My favorite Blizzard, as I have said, man, that's good. My favorite Blizzard of all time always has been the Oreo Blizzard. It always has been. But I would say this is possibly a close second. Five stars, people. You can't go wrong with it. It's perfect. Perfect combination. It's to the extreme. Dairy Queen's done it yet again. $5 for a small. And I don't know how anybody out there can handle more than a small. I mean, just imagine the sugar in a small Blizzard. And there's people that get large, medium. I couldn't imagine how you could handle that. I mean, it's just unbelievable. So overall, people, that's going to be the official review. You know, actually, I got a notification from Dairy Queen that they had this new Blizzard out, so that's why I had to go review it today. I was like, well, this is a great day to review it. So that's what we did. So anyway, guys, as always, I want to thank you so much for watching. It's extreme. It's good. If you like Reese cups, Reese pieces, whatever, that's the way to go. So that's going to be the official review, people. As always, thank you so much for watching. Me, the Box, Archie, Alexa. We're going to see you guys tomorrow because we do a review every day, 365 days a year. As always, guys, have yourselves a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Toodles! Man, that's good. Good. You can't beat it. Man, I cannot believe this. All these years trying to be like Mike, and I thought all they was Gatorade. You know, I've had Powerade before in the past, but when you compare them head to head, people, you really see the difference. Now, you're not really going to notice it if you drink one flavor every now and again. You know, you'd be like, that's good. But when you compare them head to head, you really, really see the difference. Taste the difference. You don't just see it, taste it. Yeah, taste it. Here we go.